Oh, okay, this past week has been, I don't want to use the word devastating, but it's been pretty bad. I got just corn ate up by the squirrels. I declared war on them. Reduced the population quite considerably. And this little stream you see coming through here has not stopped in quite some time. This is the first day in a long time we have blue sky. Some June cool front come through. I don't feel no cool front, I can tell you that, but we dang sure got the rain from it. Yesterday there wasn't really much rain around. It was just on top of me the entire day. I ain't lying. I stayed up all day yesterday. The rain on top of me, and then when I went to sleep it was raining. When I woke up this morning, I had to go to work. Raining. So it is June 10th. The corn's pretty much done for. There's still some corn ears in there that I can pick, and I'm gonna get on them, but the squirrels have pretty much tore up everything. I've got video after video of what the squirrels have done to my corn. I mean, that's just disgusting, seeing that and seeing that and seeing that right there. That looks like a new one right there that just got done today. I guarantee you that's just today. I left that in there to try and get that corn to go, and they tore it up. They still out here, but I put a dent in the population, but I got a lot more denting to do. I hate squirrels now. I hate them. This right here is another issue that just popped up. I'm seeing it all over in this tree, so I'm gonna go get the. So there they are. I'm gonna go get some diatomaceous earth and just drown it on those. I can't do nothing else. I mean, I can spray it. It goes way up to the tip top. But those stupid things, tent worms, they ain't no good for nothing. They had some berries starting to come on in here, but I mean, they're small. Little tiny teeny things. Look at that wasp attacking those. Get them. Come on, you can get in there and get them. I didn't know y'all were good for anything, but if you can eat them things, eat them up. Come on, get yourself in there. Boy, she wants one of them really bad. Almost. Oh, got one. Alright, y'all, that's the first harvest of corn right there. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that as far as getting it off the cob and getting it ready for setting back. I got one of these little gizmos over here that I got in. I'm gonna have to see if that works. That's it. But we'll see. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Alright, what I got here, this is gonna be a kernel cut. I got a ice chest here. And I'm gonna put this over like that. Let me open it. Right, what we have, I'm gonna put this like that. And these kernel cutters, I saw them available, and a lot of them had the little piece that you put into the corn cob to drill it and screw it down. But this one didn't. But I got this one off of eBay because it was real cheap, and someone must have had it for years and years because it looks old. And they were selling it, so I got it for cheap. See, what I'm gonna do is, instead of just the drill, I'm just gonna push it down and get it out. And whatever corn comes off, comes off. Come here. This is gonna take a little learning, because see that goes skinnier. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna all the corn cobs, whatever ones I have, I'm just gonna learn how to do this. Okay. All right, I got this about as good as I can get it. These are 2 old hickory sticks that I had around here. I cleaned them. I cleaned them with soap and water and all of that. And I just needed something. They were better looking. Okay. Good point there. Teeth up. So what you got to do is you can kind of press this. You need something to have it resting on, and you can press this, and what it does is it kind of shrinks the diameter, inner diameter. So you get that corn going on it. Don't push your fingers too far, because you end up with injury. So what I'm gonna do now that I got it started, come and put it down on this bottom of the ice chest. Don't squeeze anymore, just push straight down, because if you squeeze it gets too tight and it starts bearing down. Then I use the corn kind of like a squeegee to push the rest of the corn to the side. Cob goes into the thing, teeth up. This is a big fat one here, so let's see how this one. You see, it's actually splaying it apart. So don't push in on this. Don't grab and push. Just push down. It'll actually follow the contour of the cob that it should be. See, it's a little wider right there. I could have got probably some more corn, but that's why I keep a knife here to get a little bit of more of that. But That's actually the second time I had to do that, so this doesn't happen often. Maybe I should have squeezed a little harder. Here's a weird looking one. So I squeeze it together when I go down like this, and I'm turning it. And I don't really squeeze too much right here. I'm gonna kind of give it a little pressure. Yeah, just a little bit. There you go. Not much, but see, I'm learning, and I'm getting it done faster and faster. It's happening. You can really process a pretty large amount of corn pretty fast, I believe, doing this. So just use the corn cob to push it. So I mean, you can put a little pressure on there, but it makes it harder to go down. But I got most of the corn off of that. A couple of tasty tidbits. So that one I didn't even have to put through. See, these shorter ones even work. Gotta watch, man. I just felt that. Are you kidding me? What did I just grab right there? Ah, I know what I hit. Man, I didn't want that to happen. Oh, I just need to take a little time out. Things you gotta watch for on this. Those teeth are pretty doggone sharp. And I just found out that this right here will get you too. So be careful. They all will get you. You want to be careful. You don't want to go too deep. Push it down and pull it on through. Done. And I got an injury, which happens to everybody. Oh, we got some more rain coming. Look at that. Yes, we do. All that corn I had, which y'all saw earlier, made this amount. So it's a good bit of corn, but that's it, all shelled off of there, off the cobs. So now I'm gonna pack it away into some baggies. I was thinking about canning some of this, but I think I'm just gonna baggie it up. It says a little over 3 cups of, except for this one has about 3 cups exactly. But each one of these has over 3 cups of corn in them. So I'm gonna freeze them. And we got another over 3 cups of corn there. I'm gonna make a salsa with. But I'm gonna go bring them, put them in the freezer, and that's about what I got for this year. I mean, there's still a little bit corn left in the field, in the corn patch, but not much. I probably would have had at least 5 times, well, 3 times this amount if the squirrels wouldn't eat them. That's some tomatoes and cucumbers I picked the other day, so I'll make a salsa with all of this. I need to go pick tomatoes today, but as you can see, the weather outside is frightful. Oh, shouldn't say that. This is not nowhere near Christmas. Anyway, all right, bye-bye.